Okay, question 19. This is another one that people don't particularly enjoy. The first part, you just plug in the values of x into the table, and the missing values that you should get are 5.4, 3.3, 3, and 4.5. I won't worry too much about how you get those because I think it's reasonably easy. And so if we plot the graph, we get these points as follows. It should look something like this. Okay, so when you join up the graph, make sure it doesn't touch the y-axis because it shouldn't. You should get a smooth curve like so. Now, the important bit is the first one asks you to use the graph to find the solutions to the equation x plus 2 over x equals 4. Now, the graph you just drew is y equals x plus 2 over x. So where that is equal to 4, where your graph is equal to 4, you just draw a horizontal line across 4 and see the x values where it meets. So it meets here at this x value. That's about, what, 0.5. And at this x value here, which is, what, about 3.7. So that's the first part. That's the easy part. The second part of this question is substantially more difficult and definitely caused people some problems. It said that the solution of this graph of the equation and sorry, this is getting a bit messy, isn't it? Let's see if we can move this all up. Sorry. I need to run this answer on fast forward to make more sense of it. Apologies for the delay. Okay, so the second part of this question is the tricky one, and that's what I want to sort of look at in more detail. It asks for the solution of the equation 2x plus 2 over x equals 7. Now, again, the tactic is you write this equation that you have to solve for the question out, and you write the equation of your graph underneath and make it equal to mystery value. And then you see what you've done to get from the graph, the equation that you have to solve to your graph. Well, to get from 2x plus 2 over x to x plus 2 over x, you've subtracted x. So you do the same thing to the other side. And therefore, 7 minus x is the graph that you need to plot to find the solution to this particular equation. Now, it doesn't actually ask you to plot it. If you did, it would be a graph going through 7 on the y-axis with a gradient of -1. So it would look like this. Actually, gradient -1, the axes are slightly different, so be that basically, and then you'd look at where that line met with your blue graph. But the key thing is working out this part. The 7 minus x bit is the correct answer.